Welcome to Broad Channel in Queens. I love New York. And here is a look of Cross Bay Boulevard. And there is one of the things to see on this island. It is the Wildlife Refuge Center. And if you take Cross Bay Boulevard all the way down to the bridge to Howard Beach, you'll see a beautiful walking path, a little bit under 2 miles, and there is a salt water and a freshwater estuary that brings migratory birds to the area. Quite beautiful. Now, what brought me to Broad Channel Island? The A train. It is one stop past JFK Airport, and I brought my bicycle. Did a wonderful ride across the bridge over to Howard Beach, and now I'm on the other end of Broad Channel Island. And this bridge will bring me to the Rockaways. And we have the sign back here. If you are coming and can't find your way, there it is, the Rockaways. The Rockaways are this way. And then there is another sign that'll help guide you. Here's some of the houses. It's a very modest island, Broad Channel Island. Again, it's the subway stop right past JFK Airport on the A train, $2.75 to get here. You'll be dropped off just 1 block over from Cross Bay Boulevard, and you'll see lots of planes taking off while you are riding up and down the island. But the main reason for coming here is to see the wildlife and enjoy a day in I Love New York that looks like no other. Till next time, keep exploring and enjoying. From Broad Channel, Queens, I love New York, the only island in Jamaica Bay inhabited by humans.